In today's digital age, building an email list is crucial for any business or individual looking to establish a strong online presence. With the power of a massive subscriber base at your disposal, you can effectively reach and engage with your target audience, boost conversions, and ultimately grow your business. In this ultimate guide to email list building in 2023, we will explore proven strategies and techniques that will help you unlock the true potential of a massive subscriber base. Understand your audience. Before diving into email list building strategies, it is essential to understand who your target audience is. Conduct thorough market research to identify their needs, preferences, pain points, and interests. This knowledge will enable you to create highly targeted content that resonates with your subscribers. Create valuable content upgrades. One effective way to entice visitors to join your email list is by offering valuable content upgrades. These can be exclusive guides, ebooks, checklists, or templates that provide additional value on top of what they can find on your website or blog. For example, 10 proven strategies for effective email marketing. Download now. By providing high-quality content upgrades related to their interests or pain points in exchange for their email address, you are not only adding value but also establishing yourself as an authority in the industry. Optimize your sign-up forms. Your sign-up forms play a vital role in capturing leads and growing your email list. Ensure that they are prominently placed on relevant pages of your website and make them visually appealing yet unobtrusive. Use compelling copywriting techniques such as using action-oriented words like "join now" or "get instant access," alongside persuasive language highlighting the benefits subscribers will receive by signing up. Offer incentives. People love incentives. Offering exclusive discounts or special promotions to subscribers can be a powerful motivator for them to join your email list. For example, subscribe now and get 20% off your first purchase. Leverage social media. Social media platforms are gold mines for potential subscribers. Promote your email list on social media by highlighting the benefits of joining, sharing testimonials from satisfied subscribers, or running contests where participants must sign up to enter. Guest blogging. Guest blogging is an effective way to reach a wider audience and attract new subscribers. Identify authoritative blogs in your niche that accept guest posts and contribute high-quality content that includes a call to action directing readers to subscribe to your email list. Use pop-ups strategically. While pop-ups may have gained a bad reputation over the years, when used strategically, they can significantly boost your subscriber numbers. Experiment with exit intent pop-ups or timed pop-ups offering valuable incentives or content upgrades. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list allows you to send highly targeted emails based on specific criteria such as demographics, interests, purchase history, or engagement level. By providing personalized content tailored specifically for each segment of your audience, you increase the chances of conversion and long-term engagement. Nurture your subscribers with automated email sequences. Automation is key when it comes to nurturing leads and converting them into loyal customers. Set up automated email sequences that deliver valuable content at regular intervals while subtly promoting products or services relevant to their interests. Track your results and continuously optimize. Lastly, track the performance of your email campaigns using analytics tools such as Google Analytics or dedicated email marketing software like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, center, conversions rates, and use this data-driven insights to optimize future campaigns further continually. In conclusion, building an extensive subscriber base through effective email list building strategies is crucial for any business looking for online success in 2023. By understanding your audience, creating valuable content upgrades, optimizing sign-up forms, offering incentives, leveraging social media and guest blogging, using pop-ups strategically, segmenting your email list, nurturing subscribers with automated email sequences, and continuously tracking and optimizing results, you can unlock the power of a massive subscriber base. So why wait? Start implementing these strategies today to propel your business to new heights in 2023.